How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'll show you an amazing hidden feature that most Samsung users didn't know about. And trust me, you'll not find such unique and useful feature on any other Android smartphone. So if you own a Samsung Galaxy device, then stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Nowadays, most Samsung devices come with an in-display fingerprint scanner and we all use it just to unlock our phones. But what if I tell you, you can add more functionality to this in-display fingerprint scanner on your Samsung phone and make it even more useful. Right now I'm in my lock screen, and if I want to unlock my phone, I'll use my right thumb and it unlocks instantly. Now if I use my left thumb, not only it unlocks but it also opens my favorite app. Like this, you can assign different functions and shortcuts to this fingerprint scanner, and I think it's the quickest way to open any app directly from your lock screen. You don't have to unlock your phone and search for that specific app every time. Instead, you can just use the fingerprint to launch your favorite app. Now to enable this hidden feature, you need to have the GoodLock app installed on your phone, and in case you don't have GoodLock, just head over to this video description and there you will find a direct link to install the app right now. Once that is done, install this module called Routines Plus. Now go inside Routines Plus, select Fingerprint to website. What it does is, it basically allows users to open their favorite website or an app when you unlock your phone using the fingerprint. You can use one finger just to unlock your phone and assign different actions for all of the fingerprints that you have registered on your phone. So just select a fingerprint that you would like to access and then tap on this edit icon. You can either set it to open any website or you can add some other shortcuts. But what I usually do is, I assign it to open my favorite application. Just go to apps and select the app that you would like to access. Then you can save the routine by simply giving a name to it. Now when you want to launch your favorite app, just use the appropriate fingerprint. I think this is the best way for assigning different shortcuts and make your fingerprint scanner a lot more useful. So if you own a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then I will highly recommend you to start using this feature right now. It can definitely save a lot of your time. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I'll see you guys in the next one.